After about half hour's recharge of the device, we found that the device battery is increasing to 65% now. Let's go on to test this device. As you can see, you can use the mobile phone's adapter to charge with the USB cable to charge the device like this. It's very easy as it's a magnetic. You do not need to worry about getting loose. Let's continue. Now let's check the function details. Firstly, you can see the real-time tracking icon. Click it and you can see the map, the Google map. As you can see, the distance of the device between the device and my mobile phone is about 17 meters. You can also make the distracted map to see your location. Click this to check details. Now it becomes 7 meters. Both to the distance. And on the top right corner, you can change the location uploading interval. Here you have 4 options. The first one is every 1 minute. That means when you want to find the device user urgently, you can choose the device upload the location every 1 minute. Success. And in daily use, you can use 10 minutes interval to uploading the position, or 1 hour to save the battery, or 12 hours to save battery. And the second icon, historical route. Here you can check the device movement history of each day. This option show LBS positions points is to display the historical route, including the locations when it has no GPS but use LBS. Let's check. You can click here to display all the locations during the day. It shows Wi-Fi location. You can choose yesterday's or customize each day, a single day within the latest 90 days. If you want to check the whole 90 days historical routes, you can go to our website www.gps123.org. And the third icon is Geofence. Geofence has 2 options, GPS fence and Wi-Fi fence. GPS fence, you can create many different fence. Firstly, you can name, for example, home. And here, the radios, to click here to choose different radius of the location of the geofence. For example, you can slide this one to enlarge the radio or shrink it. Usually we recommend the user to use 300 or 500. Save. And OK. And once the device moves out of this Geofence, your app will get an alarm to say the device moves in or moves out the fence. And the Wi-Fi fence, you need to remind that when you are using an iPhone, you can only add the Wi-Fi hot port of the Wi-Fi hot port to your iPhone using. For example, here, this is my home's Wi-Fi hotspot name, and you can name it whatever you like. This means once this device moves in or out of your home's Wi-Fi hotspots, the application will get alerts. And if you are using an Android phone, you can set every Wi-Fi hotspots your phone can receive its signal. And the third is health. This device also have health step, means step counting function. Here you need to switch on it and set different time, for example from 0 to night, and OK. And then your step distance, for example my step is 50 cm and my weight 63, and turn on this option and it's OK. And after that, if you move the device, take it a move, and there will be some data here. And the peer alarm is to remind the device user to take medicine. There are 3 options. Once means only set 1 alarm, and daily means every day at this time the device will ring. For example, let's set 1. Currently it is 23:25, and we can set 23:26. For example, I can write a sentence, it's time to take pills. Or you can send a message here. It's time to take pills. It's time to take pills. See, you can hear the voice message. For example, I set this time and save. Let's see later whether you can hear it. Time to take pills. Can you hear it? It's time to take pills. The device is alarm you to take pills. And the device vibration. It's time to take pills. Message here. It's time to take pills. You can click any button to cancel. It's time to take pills. Okay, you can press the SOS button to cancel this alarm. And then let's go back to the application. The next icon is conversation. Conversation, the first one is call to checker. Call to checker here, it reminds you to enter whether to enter sitting device number. You need to write this device SIM card number in the device, in the app about the device setting. Here, device number. As I can know, this device number is this one, so I can copy it and type it here. Save. Okay.